What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs. I'm here to do my answers to the challenge put out by Hunter Hot Wheels Akron, I believe it is. Hot Wheels Hunter Akron for the Truck U challenge. And just showing a whole bunch of different trucks in your collection. So just went around and grabbed a bunch of different things to show you guys. So get going. This first one up is a Matchbox fire truck. It was like some kind of collector's edition one. It's got rubber tires on it, plastic base, but it's really detailed, really nice. One of my favorite fire trucks in my collection. Really cool. Very detailed all over, and I love the rubber wheels on it. Really nice tow truck, and fire truck, and in white is just awesome. Alright, and then next up we have an M2. This is GMC pickup. This thing's really sweet too. Beautiful color. Love the wheels on it. Definitely a beauty, this truck. This one came out a few months ago, I believe. Pretty cool. Nice, beautiful red color. Love it. Next up, we have a Greenlight, another Chevy pickup with the camper on it. I believe this is 69, this pickup. With an awesome piece. Did a great job on this. Very nicely detailed. Looks really good. I don't remember if the hood opens on this or not. No. I don't think so. Camper looks great. Truck looks great. Love the wheels. Just great looking truck. I love it. We have another M2 Ford Econoline truck. Moon eyes. Cool looking little truck. Looks like she's leaning. Huh. I don't remember it doing that. Huh. Yes, it does. A little bit. Beautiful color combination. I love the yellow. The chrome looks really good. Wheels look good. She is definitely leaning. I don't ever remember seeing that. Very nice truck, though. Okay, and next up, you got a Greenlight Ford pickup. Firestone on it. Really nice color combination. Love the wheels on this one, too. Yeah, is this one leaning too? It's got to be a base or something. What the heck is going on here? It's got to be something with this. Yeah, I think it's this thing. Strange. That's better. It had to be the wheel wasn't sitting right. I was going to say, I don't remember these trucks leaning. Well, this is beautiful. The gold and the black. I love this one. Those wheels just make it. White stripe separating the two. Looks great. Beautiful truck. And we got another Ford. This is a Hot Wheels 56 Ford that I did a wheel swap on. And some detailing on, a little bit of detailing. The wheels look a lot better on it. This one does have a metal base. So it's basically like a premium now. She looks really good. Nice truck for sure. Love it that it has a metal base. Okay, next up's the custom that I worked on. This is the troca. Just sprayed it with the color shift paint, detailed it up, put some real riders on it. And she looks really awesome. It's one of my favorite trucks too. It was so easy to do, just spraying over top of the paint that was there already. Looks really good. I love this truck. I think those wheels look great with it. Okay, next up we have an era car. This is the Mercedes 6x6 there. Really cool looking. Cool looking camo. I like the tires on it too. The red lip around there, around the rim. Looks really cool. Cool truck for sure. Glad I got one example of this. There's a lot of them out there, but I just needed one. I wanted to have one. This was the cheapest one. I think it's one of the coolest looking ones. Pretty cool. Next up, we got a Hot Wheels. This was an RLC at one time. It's got nice suspension too. Old style tow truck, like a remake of it, with the neoclassic wheels on it, red line wheels. This thing's really cool. I really like it. The old style trucks, so awesome. This has metal base, of course, plastic tires, Spectraflame blue, just gorgeous truck. Next up, we got another Greenlight. This is a Sema exclusive, Sema show exclusive, C10 pickup. Really cool. I ordered this, I believe, from Jovita's. She had it. I thought it was really cool looking. I love the color. This came out in a regular version too, without the Sema on it, of course. Really nice looking truck. It does open. Nope, I guess not. But it does have a nice wood bed, which is really cool. Those yellow hubcaps there. This next one is Johnny Lightning. And this is the Rat Fink tow truck. All dusty and rusty looking. Big Daddy's Towing. Awesome truck. Love it. Love the wheels on it. Love the whole look of this truck. Very nicely done. Next up, I got this Matchbox convoy truck. I want to get some more of these. They never have them. I had to order this one. There's a couple more I'm going to have to order. I never see these in the stores. I thought this one was really cool. And they come with a car. I really like this truck. This is the Lone Star, I think this one's called. Yeah, there's a couple new ones out that I like. I like the one that comes with that Ford Mustang, that green Mustang, the car carrier. Definitely want to get that one. But I think this one's really cool. I like the tractor trailers. Pretty cool. And then we got this M2. What year is this one? 72 Ford. Pretty cool. This came in one of those 2-pack lift ones. 2 of them on the lift. This one's really cool. Love the tires on it. The stance on this is awesome. If it opens, but I believe it don't stay open. I think this one kept shutting. No, it stayed open. Really nothing to look at too much. But it's an awesome looking truck. Alright, next up we got a real cool one. We got the Thunder Roller RLC. Awesome truck, heavy truck, probably the heaviest truck in my collection. The purple Spectra Flame. Really awesome. I just ordered a truck today in RLC. That Ford, that blue one, aqua one, that one looks really cool. And my Cobra's coming in. They said they shipped it finally, so I'll be getting that hopefully this week. Can't wait to see that. But this one's a beauty. I love this truck. One of my favorite in my collection. Very hard to store. It barely fits in one of those plastic cases. It don't fit in hardly anything else I have. It's a very big piece. And lastly, I got one more, is this beautiful custom. I'm going to leave it on this base that I bought from James Hewitt's. His shop truck, which is freaking awesome. Definitely my favorite truck in my collection for sure. It's got his logo sticker on it. Beware of Chevy. Awesome engine sticking out. I think it came off an M2. One of those muscle machines. Beautiful wheels on it. Awesome. It's got the big shifter inside here. You can see. Does such an awesome job. See on up. There's the bottle in the back. Look at that. He did all that. The wiring, the metal work there. He did the roll cage. The inside. Look at that. Gauges are all done. Perfect paint job. Just awesome truck. Figured that'd be a good one to end the video with for sure. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's my answer to the Hot Wheels Hunter Akron. I hope I'm getting his name right. Try and remember to leave a link to his channel down below. But thanks a lot, guys, for watching and all the comments. Take care. and have a great night.